Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time seeing me, my name is Baraka and my channel is all about lifestyle, beauty, DIYs and fashion haul. So today we're doing a foundation routine, how to choose the right foundation for your skin and things you should know before you even apply foundation. So I'll be right back.
This shit is my jam. This shit is my jam. This shit is my jam.
So guys, my face is cleared now, like fresh from shower. I've not applied anything else, and I'm starting off with this toner from Forever Clear Cosmetics. I've been using it for some time, and they have it in different sizes. They have for oily skin, they have for dry skin, and combination skin. I think this is for oily skin. After, I'm using a moisturizer from the same brand. It's called the Skin Food or something like that. Yeah. So I'm applying it, and next up is my serum. Guys, I'm showing all those steps because you can't just go straight in applying your foundation without taking care of your skin. You're hurting your skin. So I'm using this Blossom foundation. The other foundation I'm using is the LA Girl, and the third one is the L'Oreal True Face Match, right? I've forgotten. Yeah, some. So on my face, I have the L'Oreal as the first one. The second one is the LA Girl, and the third one is the Blossom foundation, which is kind of yellowish to me. So I think I'll be going with the LA Girl because it has a red undertone that matches my skin perfectly. So my face is cleared out, and I have the foundation on my wrist. Do not apply the foundation direct to your skin if you're a beginner. So I'm using a brush to kind of apply it on my face, like I'm kind of spreading it out, and I'm done doing that, and I'm going to go in with my sponge. As you could see the remaining on my hand, like do not apply it directly on your skin. If you want you want your face to feel lighter. So with the beauty blender, I'm going to dab. How is it? Is it dab? I don't even know yet. Let's just use that dab. The foundation, guys. I'm doing this step. I'm using like if you want to like apply concealer, you shouldn't do this. You shouldn't apply it under your eye because like you'll be applying a lot of products under your eye and you don't have to apply the foundation there. But for beginners who wants to just have a simple look like only foundation with powder, then this is your go-to for you. So I'm done, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face off camera, and I'll be back. You could see the flawless look. So guys, I'm back, and yeah, this is my final look. If you want to see a tutorial on this eye look, let me know in the comment section.